Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make your Wix website responsive for desktop and mobile version. So in Wix website, you can easily customize your Wix website for your desktop and mobile version. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Wix website editor and currently I'm in desktop version. Now, to customize your Wix website for desktop version, first of all, you have to enable here desktop. Just click on this desktop icon, and then you will be able to edit your site for desktop. Now, for example, I want to delete this blank section for my desktop version. So I'm going to selecting the section and just pressing delete button, and here we can see the section has been deleted. And now scroll down. If you want to change any elements position, just select the element and then you'll be able to adjust the element position like this. So go ahead and edit your Wix website for desktop. And now to make your Wix website responsive for mobile version, just select here, switch to mobile, and then you will see your website for mobile version. Now let's make this Wix website responsive for mobile device. For mobile version, I want to change this bag or shop icon. So I'm simply changing this icon location and I'm scrolling down, and for mobile version I want to make this section height a little bit bigger. So I'm going to selecting the section and clicking on this icon to increasing this section height. As you can see, it's looking good now. And scroll down and search for the section you want to customize. So here's I'm going to changing this text color for mobile versions. Here's I'm clicking on settings and clicking on color, and let's select a different color for mobile version, maybe red color for example. And also let's change this button. Selecting the button and clicking on design and let's add a button background color. So select a color and increase the color value, and that's how you will be able to edit any button for mobile version. And to delete any section for mobile version, you can select the section and just press delete. And let's make this section a little bit smaller. Okay, it's perfect. Now scroll down and search for another section. Let's delete this line. Just select the line, press delete to delete the element, and let's make this section a little bit large. Okay, and let's delete this blank section. And okay, as you can see, my Wix website is responsible for both mobile and desktop. So that's how you will be able to easily make your Wix website fit for desktop and mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.